Welcome to another video, guys, and today is a question and answer with me. I get asked a lot of questions, personal questions. These are personal questions, aren't they?
Yeah.
So Phil, who you lot have not seen at home before, is the new, what title would you like, or what title do you actually think we've given you? Because have we discussed it?
Not really, but I'm more of an editor slash videographer, but more on the editing side.
Okay, so he's making his debut on the channel today. He's going to be asking me some questions. So fire away.
Brilliant. So the first question we have is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Toilet and have a cup of tea.
Have a cup of tea. First thing I do is look at my phone. Don't you really do that?
No, so I have tried my hardest not to use my phone when I wake up. Because I'm on it literally, as you see, all day, constantly. So when I first wake up, I try not to use my phone for at least 10, 20 minutes, half an hour. Doesn't always happen, but I try.
Cool. And next one is working in an office or working at home?
Definitely working from the office. I like to be around my team. I like to be around my people. I just like being around people in general. I can't do working from home.
Also at home, you don't really get that much input. You're by yourself, you're in your own room.
And it's hard to get across what I'm trying to get done from a text, a phone call, or an email. It's easier to have a conversation in person.
Exactly. It's more fun as well.
Yeah, especially here. So much fun here.
How old was you when you first bought your first property?
23. Yeah, it was a personal house, so it was 23. I remember it clear as day. Didn't go according to plan, if I'm completely honest with you, but that's for a whole nother video.
Stay tuned for that one. Next question is, what do you think of other educators in the property world?
Are you trying to set me up here or something?
We want to do juicy questions around here.
Nice. Okay. Some are good, some are bad.
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
I think the people who are paying educators just need to do like a bit of due diligence, follow them for a while, see what they're doing, take note of the people that are around. Social media is such a small world now that you can see who everyone tags, you can see who everyone follows, you can see who interacts with who. So send messages to the people that they interact with and ask, like, are they as good as they preach? Just do your due diligence, but...
I mean, you see firsthand as well. You're always on social media.
You
go to these networking events, you see who knows their stuff.
Yeah, it's easy to swallow a book and then start preaching.
Exactly.
But you've also got to practice. So just watch who's doing what. It's common sense.
Yeah.
If someone's screaming, they're the best, they're a multimillionaire, they're this, they're that, they usually aren't.
Yeah.
So just follow the ones, use your gut, follow the ones that you believe. And another thing as well, people think that they're going to pay for education and then that magically opens a door to them being successful and rich. So the education is just a tool for the person to use to go forward.
Exactly.
So if you don't use the education that you've been taught, you're never going to be successful.
Exactly.
So you just got to do your due diligence on each people. Everyone out there knows who's who as well. So again, apply common sense and it's pretty straightforward.
Perfect. All right, moving on to more about yourself now, Steve. How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Driven. So many words I want to say. Definitely driven, that's number 1.
Yeah.
I'm generous. I'm very generous. And I'm very humble.
Yeah.
I'm very, very humble.
You see that firsthand here in the office, definitely. Next question is, what is one thing you really want to achieve?
I wanted to create generational wealth. That's something that's my goal, generational wealth. So my families will be able to live off what I've created.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's what I want to do as well. So learning from Steve every day, it helps me go to the next level and hopefully reach my goal as well.
It's inspire.
Exactly.
I'm here to inspire people. I'm here to help. So
definitely.
If you can add value to people's lives, you're always going to have a job.
Yeah.
So that's what I believe in.
The next question is, what is the most outrageous thing that you've ever brought?
probably. Well, I didn't buy it, but my Only Fools and Horses van. Isabella bought it me as a present, and that's probably the most outrageous thing because it was quite expensive. I don't know. I love trainers. I love watches. Obviously, I love cars.
Yeah.
But they're not outrageous because I've worked to get them. But if you look at it from where I started, probably the cars and the watches are outrageous. But now in life where I'm at, they're not. They're just a perk of how hard I've worked.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd probably say the Only Fools and Horses, man.
Next question is, what is your dream car? We know you got the Ferrari. We know you got the Land Rover. What's your dream?
LaFerrari.
LaFerrari.
Yeah, it's my dream. I'll have it in the next 2 years, 3 years. I'll be able to go out and buy it comfortably. But definitely the LaFerrari. I'm a Ferrari guy. I'm not a Lamborghini guy.
What colour would you get in?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, that's
Definitely
done.
yellow.
Yeah, all my Ferraris will be yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's done. Yeah.
We need a car collection if we need it to.
Yeah. So
We'll see.
I know I'm moving house.
Yeah.
Into my new house next month. Actually, sorry, this month. I'm quite private,
Yeah.
even though I'm on social media and stuff. I'm quite private, but the amount of people that have messaged me saying, "Are you going to do like a show of your house and stuff?" I'm not too sure about that. I might show some rooms inside,
Yeah.
but I don't know. And the car collection, I mean, we've got 4 cars. If people want to see it, I'll show it
People
because
wanna
it's
see it,
cars. But yeah, maybe we'll see.
Following on from your spending spree, how many shoes do you own?
I'm a trainer freak.
You're a Yeezy freak. That's
Yeah.
what you are. You're
Well,
a Yeezy freak.
Yeah, I am a Yeezy freak. I prefer Louboutin trainers, but I am a Yeezy freak. I've probably got, I don't know, 150 pairs maybe. So
Crazy.
I am a trainer
Yeah.
freak. I judge a lot of people on their footwear. So I don't care what footwear people have, price-wise, but if a person can take pride in what they're wearing on their feet, it kind of tells me a little bit about people. And I don't understand people who buy trainers. I've got a friend who does this. He'll buy a pair of trainers, he'll put them on, and then when we walk outside, he'll walk through puddles and stuff.
Oh wow.
And I'm just like,
That's a no.
I don't get
That's
it.
a no for me as well.
Another thing as well, which I hate, is people who walk over 3 drains. Never trust somebody who just walks over 3 drains. I don't get that. You don't know what I'm on about, do you?
Nope.
No, no, you don't. But I don't like.
Yours
people,
little superstition.
Yeah, I don't like people who walk over 3 drains. I don't like it.
So guys, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Steve, what is your favourite film?
Have a few, if I'm honest.
What would you say is the one that you watched and you're like, wow, I need to watch that again?
I
straight
like
away?
Limitless. I think that film's unbelievable. Kelly's Heroes. Now, not many people know what that is.
I don't know that.
That was from when my granddad, when I was young, he
Yeah.
used to watch it with me. Flight of the Navigator. Again, you probably won't know what that is. That was a cool film. Face Off. I love Face Off. And I love Con Air.
Yeah.
So there's some of my favourite films. But I have loads of different favourite
Yeah,
films.
you can't. It's kind of hard to pick one, isn't it? Yeah.
I love Spider-Man. I love
Spider-Man.
Superman.
Yep.
I love Avengers.
Yeah.
I love all the Marvel
Yes,
kind of
yes,
things.
yes,
Probably my favourite all-time favourite film will probably be Kelly's Heroes.
Yeah.
So I will show you what that is after
Yeah.
this.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
Following on from that, what actor would you like to play yourself in a film? If there was a Steve Hamilton film,
Wow.
which actor would you like to play?
That's crazy, that question.
That is a crazy question. I want to come with crazy questions and juicy ones.
Nice.
I'm a massive Nicolas Cage fan.
Mm-hmm.
Huge Nicolas Cage fan. I think that would be cool as shit. I don't know how he will play me, but yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, Nicolas Cage.
Cage,
100% Nicolas Cage.
Perfect. Going into more sporty questions now. What is your favourite sport?
Football and boxing are tied.
You can't pick.
I
either
can't
one.
pick which ones. Growing up, it was football.
Yeah.
But the last 6 years of my life, boxing was a close second. But
Yeah.
now it's come 50-50 with boxing and football.
Okay, seeing as it's 50-50, who is your favourite boxer and who is your favourite footballer of all time?
Favourite footballer of all time is Ronaldo, the original Ronaldo.
The R9 Ronaldo.
The R9 Ronaldo. He's my all-time favourite.
He was something else. He was.
Yeah, growing up, that's who I pretended I used to be in the playground. Favourite boxer, Prince Nassim Hamid.
The entertainer himself.
That guy is just.
They don't make nothing like him no more.
No, so
nowadays.
he is the Conor McGregor of before social media, and if social media was about when he was doing his thing, he'd be bigger than anybody in the world. And also, not just his entertainment side, he was unbelievable. He was a great fighter.
He was speedy.
He's my favourite all-time fighter, Prince Nassim Hamid. Obviously now, like, you've got massive AJ. You know how it is. I'm a huge AJ fan. Massive Floyd Mayweather fan. People hate him. Well, he's Marmite, isn't he?
Yeah, exactly,
People love him.
exactly,
I'm
exactly.
a huge Mayweather fan. So yeah, that's my boxing side.
All right. Following from your football side, what is your favourite team?
West Bromwich Albion.
West Bromwich Albion.
Anybody who knows me knows I'm a die-hard Baggies fan.
Since day one.
Since day one. I remember the first time I ever went to the ground, and they used to do these sweets, and the sweets were toffee with orange inside, and they used to come in a packet, and I remember eating them. And now when I go, it's rollover hot dogs. I love rollover hot dogs. I haven't had one for a long, long time, but I'm a huge rollover hot dog fan, and we do the best.
Do you go
ones.
for the football? Do you go for the food?
Well, obviously football's there, but the hot dogs are always something I'm excited about. But yeah, West Bromwich Albion. Anybody who knows me knows that's my team. Like, number one, most important thing apart from Isabella. But yeah, West Bromwich. West Bromwich Albion. Yeah.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
How do you decide this?
I don't know.
So you got invisibility.
Yeah.
You can fly, or you can literally be Spider-Man.
Exactly.
So which one?
For me personally, I would like to fly. I would love to fly.
I'm scared of heights.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether that one.
No.
Maybe being invisible would be pretty cool.
You'd be a bit sneaky. Hear what other people talk about.
I'm a bit geeky.
Oh yeah.
So like I like techie things, and I'm a massive Harry Potter fan. Huge Harry Potter fan, by the way. So maybe invisibility would be cool. If I could be Spider-Man, I wouldn't mind that either, to be fair.
Crazy. What is one thing that you can't live without?
Isabella.
That's the one thing you can't live without. No?
Yeah, she makes everything happen. Without her,
How cute.
I wouldn't be
How
sitting
cute.
here. No, seriously, if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be sitting here. So,
well, I mean, we can see in the offices every single day. You're always together. You're always working. You just thrive off each other.
yeah. So that's very, very easy to answer.
Okay, this is one of the questions where I was just, what is your favorite food?
Oh,
Because we know you.
yeah. So
We
mashed
know you.
potato
Yeah.
is something like I could just eat mashed
And
potato.
specifically, who's mashed potato?
Isabella's mashed
Yeah.
potato. Mashed potato, it has to be with gravy though, it can't be without gravy. I do love Indian food. I love Indian food, but mashed potato, anything with mashed potato and gravy as well, so any meat.
Yeah.
I love pies. Yeah, all mashed potato. I'm hungry now.
Just
actually
mashed
thinking
potato,
about it.
guys.
Mashed potato.
If you want to impress Steve, mashed potato. Make sure you make mashed potato.
Mashed potato is my thing.
What is your favourite holiday destination?
Dubai.
Dubai.
I've been there numerous times now. I'm going to buy something there next year just to have as a holiday home, so I can just fly over 3-4 days here and there.
What is it about Dubai that you like though? Is
the
it
lifestyle,
The lifestyle.
the cleanliness of it. It's so clean.
Yeah.
And I aspire. I'm aspirational.
Yeah.
I know what I want. I know where I want to go. And when I'm over there, I realise what wealth is, and I understand money. It's like being in London.
Yeah.
I spend a lot of time in London. You know, it puts everything into perspective because the wealth that they have in these places is nuts.
It's like a movie, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like something you've never seen
Exactly,
before. So I like being around these kind of things as well. It inspires me.
Yeah. For yourself, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Can't answer that question.
Can't.
No, because my life moves so quick and things change so fast that I don't even know what's going to be going on next month.
Yeah.
Never mind in 5 years. As long as I'm healthy, as long as I'm happy, and as long as my team around me are all okay, I'll still be smiling.
Yeah.
I'm always smiling. I'm
Always
the happiest
smiling.
guy ever. My life's amazing.
We can see it firsthand, yeah.
Yeah, my life's amazing. I'm always smiling.
And the last question we have, Steve, is what is your life motto?
Don't act it. It's really weird that is, because on social media today I got asked that question, something like that, and I said, be nice,
Yeah.
don't act nice.
Yeah.
There's so many people on social media that portray this way about them.
Yeah.
And then when you meet them in person, they're absolute dicks.
Exactly.
Quick story, actually.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to say any names, but a couple of people at home watching this knows exactly who I'm talking about. I have watched this person for a while. Huge fan.
Mm-hmm.
And to be fair, I still am a fan of this person. And I met him. But I didn't meet him as like just a random encounter. We was put together and we had a conversation, and I just realised that he wasn't nothing like I saw on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. And in fact, he was an actual dickhead.
Yeah.
And it kind of killed me a little bit.
Yeah, because you were...
Yeah,
You expected something different.
yeah.
Didn't you?
So what I try and put out on social media and what I try and put out on the YouTube channel is exactly how I am in person.
Yeah.
So yes, I swear. Can't help it. I'm not going to change swearing just to please people.
Yeah.
So you know, you got to be nice.
Yeah.
You got to be kind. You can't act it. It's something that I live by. And another thing that I say a lot as well, I say it around you guys a lot, is a friend to everyone is a friend to no one.
Yeah.
Because you can't be liked by every single person.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Yeah.
So these people out there that are liked by everyone, they're just putting on a face. It's not the real person.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people won't like me. I swear, I'm quite like
You're not
direct.
everyone's cup of tea, are you?
No, you
Yeah.
can't be everyone's cup of tea.
You can't.
But anyone who is everyone's cup of tea, obviously there's something not right. So I know there's people out there, but if you be nice and you be kind, good things happen.
Definitely.
That's why I'm always smiling.
Yeah.
Because I actually don't put anything out there that's negative.
Not fake, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, you've only been here. It's your 3rd week.
And every single day for the past 3 weeks is smiles.
Yeah.
Everyone's smiling, see you smiling. It's just a happy place to be.
Yeah, it's a
isn't
cool
it?
place to be. This is a really
Definitely.
cool place. But if that's all the questions, it's the end of the video.
Perfect.
How do you feel you made on your? How do you think your debut was? Nervous?
Nervous, but I grew into it. Let us know in the comments how they did.
Yeah,
Just let us know.
I think you've done really well.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to this channel. We're growing so quick as well. I think we're on nearly 1,500 followers with this video. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like. Comment down below if you want to see more of these videos or what type of videos you guys want to see. And we'll have a new video released by the end of this week as well. So see you guys soon.
See you later.